Hello guys, happy new week. This is Deboville. This video is about Dogecoin. So guys, Dogecoin is number 8 in crypto ranking. If you want to check the ranking of crypto coins, if you have Coin Market app or CoinGecko, you can search for ranking of coins. So guys, on Coin Market app, you will see coins. You click on it, you will see the ranking of different crypto coins. If you have CoinGecko, you will see cryptocurrency. You click on it, you will see the ranking of different crypto coins. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Dogecoin before the launch of the ETF. Institutions are filing for Doge ETF. So guys, you can buy some Dogecoin before the launch of the ETF. I bought mine years ago. So if you want to buy Dogecoin, the current price of Doge is 0.2320 US dollars, and Dogecoin is up 6.97%. So guys, if you have Coin Market app, you can search for Doge. You click on markets. So guys, you can buy Dogecoin on different crypto exchange and decentralized exchange. The list is very long. If you click on yield, you will see platforms where you can stake or save your Dogecoin for more interest. So guys, you can check out the list. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is based on the popular Doge internet meme and features a Shiba Inu on its logo. The open source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon. So guys, you can check out this detailed information. So guys, contracts, you can buy Doge on using BSC chain or Osmos. You can also check out the website. So guys, this is dogecoin.com. You can check this out for detailed information. What is Dogecoin? An open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. Getting started. Choose your wallet. A wallet is necessary for people wanting to use, trade, or hold Dogecoin. You can pick a wallet. So guys, you can check out this detailed information. So guys, if you have Bybit exchange, make sure you have USDT in your wallet. On Bybit exchange, you search for trade. In the search space, you search for Dogecoin. You will see different trading pairs for Doge. So guys, if you have USDT, you buy Dogecoin. 10 USDT will buy 43.0 Dogecoin. You click on buy. You click on buy and you follow the next step. So guys, you can buy Dogecoin on Bybit exchange. You can also use convert on Bybit exchange to buy Dogecoin. So guys, if you have USDT, you will swap USDT to buy Dogecoin. You click on max, you click on quote. When you click on quote, you follow the next step and you buy Dogecoin. So guys, don't forget, buy Dogecoin before the launch of the ETF with spare money. Conduct your research before you make a move. Thanks for watching, guys.